What's up everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to display your document location or path. But before we start, please consider subscribe to our channel and liking the video. Let's follow my steps. Click on File at the top left corner, and after that click on Properties. And in the pop-up window that appear, you can see location is here. And then click on OK button, and just paste it into your file. And you can do double click here and just typing to equal and info. After that in the drop down menu you can choose direction. And just type enter. Well, path is created. That's it, I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about Excel.